Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Akshita Patil from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, Bengaluru from the Department of Computer Science and Engineering, and the today's subject is Computer Aided Engineering Drawing, and the topic is projection of lines and planes. So we will start with introduction. Engineering drawing is a handy tool of a communication used by the people associated with the design, manufacture and use of any product of a technology. Examples are automobiles, airplanes, buildings, structures, bridges, ships and machines. Engineering drawing is a two-dimensional graphical representation of the various three-dimensional physical components used in the product. Engineering drawing contains all the requisite information pertaining to the components such as true geometrical shape, size, materials of a construction, sequence of a processing or machining, sequence of a assembly, and procedure for uses. So here we will discuss principal planes of a projection. Here HP is the horizontal plane, VP is the vertical plane, and PP is the profile plane. If LPP is there, then it is called as a left profile plane, and RPP is there, then it is called as a right profile plane. So next we will discuss quadrant system. When the HP and VP are chosen together as a reference planes, the whole three-dimensional space is divided into four distinct regions called as a quadrants. So this is the picture which denotes all four quadrants. First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. Here HP and VP are perpendicular to each other. So next we will discuss notations that should be followed while naming different views in orthographic projection. So first one is the top view. Top view is denoted as AAB. Front view is denoted as A dash, A dash, B dash, and side view is denoted as A double dash, A double dash, and B double dash. So same system of notation should be followed in case numbers like 1, 2, 3. So now we will discuss problems on planes and lines. So first we will discuss problem on lines. So our problem is a line AB 75 mm long and it is 30 degree and 40 degree inclined to HP and VP respectively. The end A is 12 mm above HP and 10 mm in front of a VP. Dot projection and line is in first quadrant. So first we will choose line option and the thickness is 0.35 mm to draw XY line. So we will draw XY line. We will give name as X and Y. We know that above XY line there will be VP and below XY line there will be HP. So in the question, the true length is given as 75 mm and its inclination with HP and VP is 30 degree and 45 degree. So here A is 12 mm above HP and 10 mm in front of VP. So first we will draw point A. Therefore we have to choose offset option. We will give distance as a 12 mm. So from XY line above XY line it is 12 mm. So again we will choose offset option and give distance as a 10 mm. So from XY line to below XY line, it is of 10 mm. So these two lines should be of thickness 0.13, 0.13. So next we will draw point A. So we will draw one line of thickness 0.13. So this one is the line. We will give name as A dash and A. So now we will start with line. So let's draw two lines from A and A dash, which is of length 75 mm and its inclination is 30 degree and 40 degree to HP and BP respectively. So we will choose line option. We will take thickness 0.13 mm. So from here, we'll give length as 75 and angle we will give 30 degree. So from A, again we will give length as a 75 mm and angle is minus, we will give minus 40 degree because it is below XY line. So we will choose angle between option to measure angle. So its angle is 30 degree and, and its angle is 40 degree. So now we will take smart dimension to measure the length of this line, which is 75 mm, and this line is also 75 mm. So now we will take again line option and we will draw one line from this which is parallel to XY line. Again we will draw XY line from this point. Sorry, again we will draw one line which is parallel to XY line. Then we will give name as this one is B and this one is also B. So now we will take again line option and from B point we will extend this line up to 12 mm line. So from here to here we will extend this line. We will take arc by center of point option and from here to here we will draw one arc. Same procedure we will do here. So first we will draw one line up to up to 10 mm line and we will take by center we will take arc by center point option and from A to this point we will draw one arc. So it is a true length. Then where it is intersect with this line, so from there we will take one line again up to A dash. So from here again we will take one line from A. So it will be the front view. We will give name as B dash and here we will give name as B dash. So we will increase this line thickness. We will increase this line thickness up to 0.5 and here also we will increase this thickness as 0.50 mm. So we will choose leader option to show the direction of the lines. So it is going downside. So this, like this. It is going outside, it's upside. So we will give like this. Again here, so we will give direction. Here also we will give direction. So this is the first problem on lines. So next we will discuss next problem on planes. So our problem is an equilateral triangle lamina of 25 mm sides lies with one of its edge on HP such that the surface of the lamina is inclined to HP at 60 degree. The edges on which it rests is inclined to VP at 60 degree. Draw its projection. So first here also we have to draw XY line of thickness 0.35 mm. So we will take one XY line. We will give name as X and Y. We know that above XY line there will be VP and below XY line there will be HP. So first we have to draw an equilateral triangle lamina of 25 mm sides. So first we will choose line option. We will give length as a 25 mm. Then again we will give length as a 25 mm and we will give angle as a 60 degree. Sorry. So here we will give first we will give length as a 25 mm and we will give angle as a 120 mm. And again we will join this one to this side. This line we will join to third side. So this is the triangle. We have to move this triangle. So we will choose move and we will rotate this triangle so its edge, it's one of its edge on HP. So it's so the sides of the triangle which lies with one of its edge. So we will therefore we will move this triangle. We will choose rotate as option and we will rotate this triangle. Delete this triangle. So now we will dark this triangle, means we will increase this triangle's thickness up to 0.30, 0.50 mm. So we will draw one triangle. So it's the triangle. So we will extend this triangle. We will extend this side up to XY line. Again, we will extend this side up to XY line to get front view. So its thickness is 0.13 mm. It's also same as 0.13 mm. So this is the front view. We will dart this line. Means of thickness 0.50 mm. So we will give name to this triangle as A, B, and C. This is the front view, therefore we will denote as B dash. In bracket we will write as A dash because B side is visible but A side is not visible. And here we will write as C dash. So next they have given that the lamina is inclined to HP at a 60 degree. So we will choose this B dash, A dash, C dash line and we will move this line by taking move option. So we will move this line to this side. So we will rotate this line at a 60 degree. So we will choose rotate option and we will give rotation angle as a 60 degree. As a 60 degree. So we will measure this angle by taking angle between option from here to here is 60 degree. And by taking smart dimension, we will measure this distance, that is 25 mm. So now we will take a line of 0.13 mm thickness and we will extend this C dash to downside and this B dash A dash to the downside. And from here we will extend A dash B dash A B to this line and this B also we will extend up to this line and we will extend this C up to this line and we will draw a triangle here of 0.50 mm thickness. So we will choose line option. Thickness is 0.50 mm from here to here, here to here, and from here to here. Now we will give name same as previous one, that is A, B, and C. So next they have given like the edge on which it rests is inclined to BP at 60 degree. So we will take again line option and we will draw a line here at angle of a 60 degree. Minus 60 degree we will give because it is below XY line. Its thickness should be of 0.13 mm. So we will measure the angle, it is from here to here, 60 degree. So now we will copy this triangle on this line. So therefore we will choose line option, move option. We will take one, select one edge and we will paste on it. Then again we will rotate. We will move to this side. So this one will be the triangle. So again we will choose line option of thickness 0.13. We will extend this C up to this one and this A point we will extend up to XY line and B point we will extend up to XY line and this C dash we will extend. So this one we have to increase little bit. Then we will trim this line. So now we will choose again line option of 0.50 thickness. Then we will draw a triangle from here to here, A point, from here to here, from up to B point, and last we will leave at C point. So it will be the front view. So we will give name this one as A dash, this one as B dash, and this one as C dash. So at last we will trim these extra lines by choosing trim option. And we will choose leader option to denote the direction where the line is going. So this is the solution for the problem of a plane. So thank you guys for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe.